Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.4 question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. Let us find. Let Aman's son's age be x years. Let Aman's son's age be x years, right? Therefore Aman's age will be therefore therefore Aman's age will be Aman's age will be will be 3x years, right? Now 10 years ago 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 their age was their age was x minus 10 years and 3x minus 10 years, right? Now according to the question 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 10 years ago 10 years ago 10 years ago Aman's age Aman's age Aman's age is equal to 5 times of Aman's son's age. 10 years ago Aman's age is equal to 5 times, that is 5 times in 5 times Aman's son's age of Aman's son's age. Now here you see that Aman's son's age before 10 years is x minus 10, right? Therefore that is x minus 10. Aman's son's age, that means is equal to, you can write Aman's age was 3x minus 10, 3x minus 10 and 5 times of Aman's son's age. As Aman's son's age was x minus 10, x was x minus 10 was x minus 10, right? That we are getting x 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 5 times 50, right? Or you can say transposing transposing on transposing on transposing 5x to left hand side and minus 10 to right hand side, we get 3x minus 5x is equal to minus 50 plus 10. Here you see 3x minus 5x is minus 2x is equal to minus 50 plus 10 is minus 40, or 2x is equal to 40. Dividing both sides by 2, we are getting x is equal to 40 by 2, 40 by 2, that is equal to 20. Therefore, we got the value of x as 20, right? Therefore, Aman's son's age, therefore we are getting, therefore Aman's son's age, Aman's son's age, Aman's son's age is equal to 20 years. Aman's son's age is equal to 20 years, and Aman's age, and therefore Aman's age, therefore Aman's age is equal to 3x is equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 20 years, and that is equal to 60 years, 60 years, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.